Look at the tree, Andrew. Look at the tree. Is that cool?
Blocks.
Yeah.
What else? Presents.
Presents?
What else?
Do you want to open those presents? Yeah? Are they all for you? Ooh. Yeah.
Pretty. It is pretty.
Fire.
Yeah. What do you think? Do you want to open some presents?
Do you want to open those presents? What's
that one?
What is that?
I'll open it for you. Is this cool?
Mm-hmm. Can you say wow?
Is that so cool?
Is this a giraffe?
An
Elephant?
That's right.
Uh-huh. And a zebra? I don't know what a zebra says either.
You don't say anything. That's really being attacked. No good.
Cool. It rolls.
Nice, thank you for that. So, watch.
Wow.
You want to do it? Okay. Walk that way.
Can you walk with it?
Walk with them. Stand up and walk. Yeah, I'll show you. Stand up. Grab this part. Stand up. Okay, take him for a walk over there. Show him your playroom. Yay!
Yay!
Cool. Is that pretty neat?
Andrew, can you say Mary? Can you say Mary? Oh, you want to be shy today.
He's busy doing something.
Hey, Andrew. Psst. Say Mary. Okay, Merry Christmas, Andrew.
Say bye.